with love. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm at work today, and my daughter like, Grandma, can you make me a chicken pot pie? I said, sure. Let me think of a quick and easy way. So that's what I'm about to do in a hot minute. So these are the ingredients that I'm gonna make this chicken pot pie for Nabria. She know I'm tired. I don't plan on being in the kitchen all day. No. However, in this chicken pot pie is gonna be so quick and easy. Right here, I got my pie pan right here. Just show the ingredients. I'm gonna put my hand on it. The crust, the pie crust. This butter only for the I'm just gonna put the butter at the bottom of the pan. Salt and pepper and garlic. This is what's gonna go on the skinless, boneless breast. Little parsley flake, cream of chicken, mixed vegetable, boneless, skinless chicken breast. So just do an overview. Come in and do an overview. And right here is gonna be, okay, over there in that little bowl right there is gonna be the thin out this cream of chicken. That's reserved chicken broth. Okay, let's get started. Let's get started right here. Over here, I'm gonna put my boneless, skinless chicken breast in there. Hey, before I get started, Lord, bless these hands that are about to prepare this meal and put a smile on these people's face, Nabria face, who's gonna eat this chicken pot pie. And once you say that, your food gonna be good every time. Amen. And I'm about to wash my hands again. So let's get started. We're talking under 30 minutes. For sure. We're gonna wash this chicken. And I never remember to get my little trash bowl. Never remember to get it. But you know what? I'm about to go get it. Keep your eye on that chicken breast right there. Okay. I'm back. So what we gonna do? Some cold water. I'm gonna wash this chicken. I was gonna put these chicken breasts in the oven and then chop them up in squares. Yeah, why my hand? So I'm just removing as much fat as I can. But can you get a good look at these two chicken breasts? I'm making a small chicken pot pie. Simple. I got my, see, I want them small in the chicken pot pie. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sear these off. Like I said earlier, I was just gonna put these 2 pieces of chicken breast in the oven and then cut them up. But I say this is quicker for me to do it this way while my skillet over there hot. And I still got the oven preheating for the pie crust, because once I get this chicken done, I'm going to put that first pie crust in the pie pan and put some holes in it, poke some holes in that little pie shell so that so I'm gonna put this over here, and then I'm gonna put salt and pepper. Hear that sear? Let's do the next one, and then let's do the next chicken breast. So I'm going to, in that skillet, I'm going to add salt and pepper and garlic powder. That's all I'm going to put on this chicken breast. Put a little parsley flake and the cream of chicken. Thin it up with a little chicken broth, and in the oven it's going. So Nabria, this is your chicken pot pie you asked for. Simple. Why make it complicated when you done worked all day? Why? And you still gonna get the same flavor. There's more than one way you can make this chicken pot pie, but I'm doing it the simple, quick, and easy way. And Nabria gonna test it once it comes out the oven. She's gonna test the chicken pot pie. Okay, let's go over here. I'm gonna bleach that cutting bowl. Wash my hand with soap, because when you're dealing with chicken, I'm gonna put some hot bleach water for that. So, want some black pepper? It's not gonna take long at all. I like plenty pepper, lots of pepper. Just a little salt. You don't need all that salt. Garlic powder. And there you have it. We're gonna saute this. And while that's cooking while that chicken breast cooking right there, how about we come over here and butter this pie pan, and I'm gonna poke some holes on the bottom. Ooh, that garlic smells good on that chicken. Get that real. We got that in there. So I'm gonna open up one of the, got it? See, that chicken will take about 3-4 minutes. Then I'm gonna get some of that oil out of that pan, and I'm gonna add that cream of mushroom in there. And we're gonna be on our way. What you say? We're gonna be at the finishing line in a hot minute. See? Just put in there like so. Just the bottom one. I want it brownish. And you gotta do the crinkle. I do the crinkles on the top. And I'm gonna poke some holes in here. And I just want that to brown just a little bit. Okay. And this chicken almost ready. I'm going to drain all that oil out of here. See them chicken breasts? I want to see the chunks in this chicken pot pie. So when we come back, we're going to be ready to put it in the oven. How about that? Like I say, who's going to be in the kitchen all day? When we come back, this pot pie going to be in the oven for 20 minutes. I'm going to put some egg wash on top of the crust, a little pepper on the crust, and it's going to cook in the oven for like 20 minutes. How about that? Chicken pot pie. This chicken breast didn't take but 10 minutes. It didn't take but 10 minutes. I'm trying to chop it up a little bit. But I'm about to drain this. I am about to drain this chicken. And we about ready to put this chicken pot pie in the oven. Let's go over here. Drain it. Yeah, I want to try to chop it up a little bit. Get all that oil out of there, because I had put some oil in there when I seared the okay, I like it kind of chunky, my chicken pot pie, so that'll be fine. Okay, now we're going back over here to the stove. So that cooks for like 10 minutes. And it's well done. Boneless, skinless chicken breast. So I'm going to add some parsley flakes. I'm going to add my cream of chicken. I'm going to add mixed vegetable with the corn and the peas. And I'm about ready to put this in the oven, y'all. You want some more vegetable in the bread? Or that's enough? Want a little bit more? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Let's see. I'm going to thicken it up. Well, I'm going to loosen. Let me see what I might have to add just a little chicken. How that look, y'all? Chicken pot pie, chicken pot pie, chicken pot pie. What you say, what you say? It's gonna bake in the oven 20 minutes. I'm gonna put some egg wash on here. I'm gonna thin it out with this little reserved chicken broth over here. How about that in the bread? How about that? My grandbaby say, Grandma, make me a chicken pot pie. Where's my wooden spoon? Where I put the wooden spoon at? You want a little bit more vegetable? You want a little bit more vegetable, or that's good? A little bit more? Holding the wooden spoon in my hand and still using the brush. Okay. Oh, that smells so good, girl. That smells so good. That smells so good. That smells so good. Okay. In the oven. Let's get that pie. I had put the pie shell in the oven earlier. So it should be ready. Stay right there in the bread. Stay right there. All right, the chicken pot pie is about to go in this pie shell. Yes, it's ready. In the oven for 20 minutes. I'm gonna have to tastes delicious. I'm gonna put some more filling in there as well. I want a lot of filling in there in the grill. I'm gonna make another one too. So I got enough for one more pie. Yes, yes. I got another crust in the. Okay, we got enough for 2 chicken pot pie. How about that? Okay. That's fine. Okay, we're going to egg white that. I'm going to put some egg white. And this going right on in the oven. Yes. All of 20 minutes, y'all. All of 20 minutes. I'm going to put black pepper and then the egg white on there. 20 minutes in the oven. LaBria, your pot pie is almost ready, girl. We're going to make 2. Alright, y'all. Let's put this egg wash on here. Let's put this egg wash on here with a little black pepper. What you say, what you say? Oh, what you say, y'all? Alright, now we're going to make a second pie. Put this egg wash on there. I'm just going to it like that. My brushes. Then pork them. Put some black pepper on top. Put some hoes in it. Wait. Okay. Oops, oops, oops. And let's put some black pepper on there. Oh, that chicken pot pie gonna be so good. Oh, let's make the second one. We're gonna make the second one. How about that? In the oven. 20 minutes, y'all. When we get back, when we come back in 20 minutes, this pot pie gonna be ready for cutting. Labria gonna be ready to cut her chicken pot pie, and there you have it. All we had was mixed vegetable, cream of chicken, butter the pan, pie crust, and I'm about ready to start on the second chicken pot pie because we have some extra filling. So I'm about to start on the second chicken pot pie. All right, we'll be back with the finishing product all of 30 minutes.